Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to redeem your Tesco Clubcard points online. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Tesco website, or open the Tesco app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to Clubcard section. You can usually find this in the menu or under your account details. Here, you will see your current points balance. Next, click on the points option that says turn points into vouchers or rewards. You will be given a few points. I recommend selecting a digital e-vouchers. They're sent instantly and can be used right away, either online or in store. Choose the voucher value you want and confirm your section. That's all. Your voucher will be emailed to you and also stored in the app under My Vouchers. If you want your vouchers to be applied automatically when you shop online, just make sure the auto apply vouchers settings is turned on. And that's it. You've successfully turned your Clubcard points into savings. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use your points. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.